How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer money from your Citibank account to other bank accounts online. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the cool thing about it is by doing it online, there is no transfer fee. It's all free. It even says so here. So what it costs, it's free, like I said, and it's right for you if you want to transfer money to an account you own or to another institution or a different bank. And it's also right for you if you want to fund your other accounts at brokerages or credit unions. And also, your accounts are, or rather, I should say, you're eligible for the free inter-institution transfers if your accounts are within the U.S. So with all of that out of the way, how it actually works is quite simple. And you can either do it on the Citibank app, although I wouldn't recommend it as the app on your phone is a little bit buggy. So I would do it on their official website online if you guys are on desktop. So all you have to do is go to online.citi.com, city with an I, mind you, and basically log in from here. So log in with your bank account, and it should take you to this page here, as you can see. So to actually get here though, you want to click on payments and transfers once you've logged into your dashboard. So this one right here. So under payments and transfers, there's actually an option to transfer funds or transfer money to a different bank account. So you want to click on that and basically just follow the on-screen instructions, fill out the info that the website asks you for. So in this case, add an external account, add the name of the recipient, the 9-digit ABA routing number, and everything that it'll need. So the bank number, maybe the SWIFT code or the IBAN if you're doing it internationally. But yeah, that's basically it. So once you've reviewed all details and everything seems to be in order, you're ready to transfer. So hit send, and it should reflect in the receiving bank account in a couple of days. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.